Celebrate eternal love with the Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024. Are you searching for the perfect gift to express your eternal love and appreciation for that special woman in your life? Make the gift more attractive by uploading your favorite photo on this necklace. Look no further than the exquisite Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024. With its timeless design and premium craftsmanship, this necklace serves as a beautiful symbol of the unbreakable bond between two souls. Why choose the Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024? Necklaces have long been cherished as meaningful gifts, and the Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024 is no exception. Crafted with care and attention to detail, this necklace features a highly polished heart pendant adorned with a dazzling cubic zirconia stone. Available in your choice of 14,000 white gold or 18,000 yellow gold finish, this necklace exudes elegance and sophistication. The pendant hangs gracefully from an adjustable cable chain, allowing for a perfect fit every time. Whether worn with casual attire or paired with formal attire, this necklace adds a touch of charm to any outfit. Its versatility makes it an ideal gift for various occasions, including Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and wedding anniversaries. Premium material and outstanding design, the Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024 is crafted from premium materials to ensure longevity and durability. The crystal heart pendant surrounding the cubic zirconia stone reflects light beautifully, capturing attention and admiration wherever you go. With dimensions of 0.8 in height and 0.7 in width, the pendant is the perfect size to make a statement without overwhelming the wearer. Elegant, ready-to-gift packaging. Your Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024 will arrive in elegant packaging, ready for gifting or safekeeping. Choose between our standard black carton box or upgrade to our luxurious red wooden box, complete with a brilliant LED spotlight that illuminates upon opening. Additionally, each box features a customizable gift card with a sentimental message, adding a personal touch to your gift-giving experience. Disclaimer: please note that while we strive to accurately represent our products through photography, variations in light and color settings may result in slight differences in appearance. Additionally, due to the manufacturing process, the sizes of items listed may vary slightly from the actual product. Conclusion: celebrate eternal love and cherish moments with the Mother-Daughter Love Necklace 2024. Whether you're surprising your wife, mother, daughter, or special someone, this necklace serves as a meaningful reminder of the unbreakable bond you share. With its premium materials, outstanding design, and elegant packaging, it's the perfect gift for any occasion. Order yours today and show your loved one just how much they mean to you.